This PowerPoint presentation is about conducting a correlational analysis. My name is Andre Marcano, attending California Intercontinental University, class CRC 605, Business Research Methodology and Quantitative Statistics, Dr. Ming Young. Agenda. This presentation will show the results of conducting a correlation analysis on 6 sets of variables, stating the null and alternative hypotheses and justifying them. First, there will be income and savings, income and stocks, income and wallet, savings and stocks, savings and wallets, stocks and wallets, main takeaways, and critiques and questions. Income and savings. The following correlational test was conducted. The null hypothesis states that there is no correlation between income and savings. The alternative hypothesis states that there is a correlation between income and savings. The correlation coefficient and the p-value were calculated using the software PSPP, assuming an alpha rating of 0.05. A significant correlation emerged, with an R value of 0.908 and a p-value of 0.000. However, the test rejected the null hypothesis and concluded there was a correlation between income and savings.
Income and stocks. The following correlation test was conducted. The null hypothesis states there is no correlation between income and stocks, and the alternative states there is a correlation between income and stocks. The correlation coefficient and the p-value is calculated using the software PSPP. Assuming that the alpha was 0.05. A significant correlation emerged, R being 0.194 and P 0.018. The test rejected the null hypothesis and concluded there was a correlation between income and stocks.
And the alternative states there is a correlation between income and stocks. The correlational coefficient and the p-value were calculated using the PSPP software, assuming an alpha value of 0.05. A significant correlation emerged with an R value of 0.194 and a p-value of 0.018. The test rejected the null hypothesis and concluded there was a correlation between income and stocks. Income and wallet. The following correlation test was conducted. The null hypothesis states there is no correlation between income and wallet. The alternative hypothesis states there is a correlation between income and wallet. The correlational coefficient and the p-value were calculated using the software PSPP, assuming an alpha value of 0.05. A correlation emerged with an R value equal to 1.0 and a p-value equal to 0.000. The test rejected the null hypothesis and concluded there was a correlation between income and wallet. Savings and stocks. A correlation test was conducted. The null hypothesis states that there was no correlation between savings and stocks. The alternative hypothesis states that there was a correlation between savings and stocks. The correlation coefficient and the p-value were calculated using the PSPP software with an alpha rating of 0.05, a significant correlation emerged with an R value of 0.284 and a p-value of 0.000. The test rejected the null hypothesis and concluded there was a correlation between savings and stocks. Savings and wallet. The following correlational test was conducted. The null hypothesis states that there was no correlation between savings and wallet. The alternative states there is a correlation between savings and wallet. The correlation coefficient and its p-value were calculated using the PSPP software, assuming an alpha value of 0.05. A significant correlation emerged. The R value was equal to 0.908 and the p-value at 0.000. However, the test rejected the null hypothesis and concluded there was a correlation between savings and wallet. Stocks and wallet. The following correlation test was conducted. The null hypothesis states that there is no correlation between stocks and wallet. The alternative states that there is a correlation between stocks and wallet. The correlation coefficient and the p-value were calculated using the PSPP software, assuming an alpha value of 0.08. A significant correlation emerged, the R value of 0.194 and a p-value of 0.017. The test rejected the null hypothesis and concluded there was a correlation between stocks and wallet. Main takeaways. This presentation was conducted to state and justify the null and alternative hypotheses of 6 pairs of variables and determine their R and P values by using the PSPP software. It showed the importance of correlational tests in research. It also showed the relationship between two variables. There can be a negative and a positive correlations. The PSPP software also allows for users to develop graphs and charts, a very useful tool. This concludes my video presentation. I want to thank everybody who viewed it. Hope it was educational. And again, thank you for viewing the presentation. And please direct any questions or critique to this site. Thank you very much and have a good day.